to see this. I'm gonna play this, and it's
Y'all know it's about that time. I'm waiting for people to come in. Come in the room. Peace to the gods.
Peace to the gods. We got a few things on our heart right now that we about to speak about.
Yeah. Yeah.
So shut alive.
Shut alive. Shut alive. There's a lot going on right now. It's a lot going on. A lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. A lot of things. We here to speak up for our own selves.
We're gonna keep
for our husband.
We're gonna keep
we're gonna keep
exposing
exposing this shit. It ain't
Look,
over. It ain't over.
Yesterday, let me tell you.
Yeah.
Bruh, when I tell you the amount of compassion that people have today, it's not there.
Nope.
We get information that we can't keep silent.
Right.
Our husband has been through everything.
Yep.
Costa Rica,
Yep.
Mexico, Panama, everywhere, Georgia. And he turned that camera on and he tell you, he let you know exactly what's going on. Yesterday we got information that Eligio was stabbed. Jumped. He was
and
jumped.
stabbed, nigga.
Four
Fuck
niggas
with y'all.
jumped on him and stabbed him out of nowhere. And we couldn't go.
What?
Nigga stabbed, my nigga.
Stabbed him?
Kidding me.
Hey, y'all.